Hey everyone, in today's video we'll be taking a look at the drop DCX Dusk Keycap set. This keycap was sold at $99 from the drop online store and I received them within a week. So first impressions, the package comes in a really big box with a lot of foam and plastic as a wrapping. The box or container itself was very sleek and minimal in a black cardboard design. Upon taking the keycap set out, there were two layers. One of them was for the standard TKL layer and the other one was other accessories and keyboard sizes. The packaging I would say is really nice. It's not as good as like PBT fans type, but the plastic does hold the keycaps very well and is much better than the normal GMK container, I guess that's what you call it. Looking further more closely, this keycap set is in a really nice navy blue and with a light blue or aqua accent for the font. And speaking of the font looks really nice. It is very similar to the GMK font, except it's a bit different, but you kind of get used to it a bit later. And I would say that the enter, like the enter, tab, and caps lock or shift fonts can sometimes look a bit small, but that doesn't really change the overall aesthetic of the keyboard. If you want a really nice under $100 keycap set that is really in high quality, the Drop DCX keycap sets will work really well for you. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.